YouTube, what's going on? Ty from xking.com hit you with another video, and today we're doing the Trunow app, gas app. And I started using this today. I downloaded it today, and it's pretty interesting. As you know, I did a video before of the getupside gas app, which I'm gonna do another updated video to that. But this video we're doing the Trunow app. So go to Trunow. This is a gas app, just like the getupside gas app, okay? It works the same way. So here we have promo. Here's my promo ID is here. If you want to use mine, you get $1. I'll get $1 and you get $1, which is very low, but it's a free dollar. Using my member ID, which is here, so use that. So it works just like the getupside gas app, which if you look below the video, I have a video on that as well. So you get 0 point cash back by capturing receipt after purchase. So you hit to go to store. It's going to give you the GPS, how to get there. It tells how long it is. And you can pinch to zoom in and out. And this is all stores. You know, the getupside gas app is limited. They don't have Exxon. They don't have 7-Eleven. They might have it in your area, but my area is mostly Valero's and BP's and Shells. They don't have Exxon. They don't have 7-Eleven. So these are the stores you can go to. It's almost all, you know, gas stations around me. So let's say this picture zoom is really. Let's say you want to go to 7-Eleven. Click on 7-Eleven, and it says here. Let's see. So it says here, capturing your receipt, get your 5% cash back. 0.5%. That's very low. It's very low, and I agree with that. But it's something. So the best thing to do is go here. Let's go to getupside gas app, and here's the getupside gas app. So I've been using it, $8.55. Here's Valero, and you know, so I get 10 cents a gallon back while I buy premium. So that's for the gas app. And here's Trunow, and Valero's up here as well. I'm pretty sure Valero's up here. So you can see where you use both apps together. So 0.5 is very, very low, but use the getupside gas app as well to compound that. So once you shoot your receipt of the True app, go ahead and shoot the receipt of the gas app. This takes about 5 minutes, and you get gas on both apps. I'm back on Uber, so this is perfect for me for Uber. So I'm getting cash back on 2 apps. I'm constantly getting gas twice or 3 times a week. So, you know, doing this 2 times a week add up. I got $1 for signing up, so use my promo code to sign up. And also has daily deals. Here's the button for the receipt. So hit the receipt and you select which one you went to. You have Kroger, you have Sunco, 7-Eleven, Wawa. My wife likes Wawa, so if she uses this, she gets 0.5% cash back, which is not a lot of money. It's not a lot of, it's chump change, but it's free chump change. So hit the daily deals. The daily deals is not the best thing, but if you buy discerning water, I guess from the gas station you can get it from, you get 29 cents off, and make sure you get the receipt. Twix here, you buy a king size Twix, you get 15 cents off. I'm not sure this works with, I mean, you could probably use it for a grocery store as well. If you're at a grocery store like Food Line or Walmart, and you have to buy a Twix, just take a picture of your receipt and have the Twix on it, you get 15 cents off, which ain't too bad. Hot dog as well. You know, not the best deal. It's not the best app for gas, but I say use this with the getupside gas app, and you'll make a little extra money. Not the best app in my opinion for gas, because it's 0.5% is very, very cheap. It's very, very not cheap, but low, but it is what it is. Okay, so here you have your current rewards, permissions, FAQs, and you can email them questions. Again, here's my member ID. Use this member ID so you can get $1. So you get a free $1. I get $1 and you get $1. It's $1. Yeah, that's how you use it. Best price is Sunco. on Broad Street, which is 6 miles away, I'm not going that far, because what I would do is use this app with the Get Upside gas app. So I go to Valero for most of my gas. So if I go to Valero, take a picture of my receipt of the Get Outside gas app, I go on the True, and I use the same receipt and scan that as well. So perfect for Uber drivers. If you drive long distance, you gotta pick the kids up, you're driving a lot, use these apps to get a little cash back. And the Get Outside gas app, I already have $8.55, and you see it's only Valero's really in my area. Just Valero really. So I go to Valero anyway, because Valero in my vicinity is the cheapest gas anyway, and I'm getting back dollar here and there, and I could use this. I can get a check, I get gift cards, so it's just free money. So yeah, that's what I would do. And let's see, can we redeem stuff. Let's see, after first using this, my wallet. So redeem, I can't redeem anything. Pick a retailer. Looks like no retailers no buy. Let's see. So I can't redeem the purchase right now. I'm trying to find where, I thought I saw it earlier today. Current rewards. So here's the rewards. Let's see if I can find this. I think I can't find it. Pick a retailer. So I can't find it. Once I get making the money on this app, I will let you know. But in the meantime, use my code to get $1 and use this with the Get Outside gas app. I will definitely use it. And yeah, thanks for watching my video. I appreciate it. This is the Trunow gas app, and it's free to download. You can sign in with Google. You don't need to make a profile or anything. This thing will burn some battery if it runs in the background. So make sure when you finish your receipt and you're done with the app, or before you even get gas, because I turned notifications off. This app is continually running, so you may want to just cut this off. Don't use it until you ready to get gas. Then I will have it running. I wouldn't run this all day long, because no need to. So the same with other apps as well. It just kills your battery. So one tip. So thanks for watching my video. I'm Ty from xking.com. Thanks for watching my video.